Joseph. I'm a drummer based in the Isle of Man. I've been playing a little bit over 10 years, and at the moment I'm in a few bands, with my main bands being Croto and Marky Moon, as well as occasional session work. I'm currently playing the 5A Reaches as they feel amazing in my hands. They're incredibly durable, versatile, and I get that extra bit of length from the reach range that I very much need to feel more comfortable behind the kit. What I love about Collision is how community focused they are and how dedicated they are in helping and doing their best in every way possible to helping their artists. And that's what makes me very grateful to be welcomed into the Collision family. The song I'm going to be playing is a live playthrough of a song called Beatlesque by my band Croto. Hope you enjoy.